Do you want to know how you can change your plan on your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your plan on your Upwork account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and then search for Upwork or simply go to upwork.com. After you open upwork.com, make sure that you are logged in. Click on your profile, which is on the top right hand side, and click on membership plan. After you click on membership plan, you can see your plan over here. Your current plan is a basic one, so in order for you to change it, go ahead and click on change plan. In a while, you can see this page load up where you can choose your plan according to your budget. You can see that there are two plans, basic and plus. To upgrade to plus version, go ahead and click upgrade to plus and write down your payment details. If you want to pay with PayPal, go ahead and click on PayPal. And if you want to add your card and pay via your MasterCard or your Visa or American Express card, go ahead and click pay card. You can see that this is the payment method for your card. What you need to do is write down your card number, your first name, last name, expiration month, expiration year, your security code, which is your 3-digit code on the back of your card, your billing address, which is your country, address line, city, and postal code. After that, click save, and then you can pay via this page, which is on the right hand side. If you want to pay via your PayPal, go ahead and click on PayPal and then click on pay with PayPal. This login portal will open up. Go ahead and log into your PayPal account and you can pay easily using your PayPal account. This is how you change your plan on your Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.